All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And we're going to discuss the Reggae Girls under 15 team. So it's pretty much on a bad defeat. Most would say. Let me see if I can fix this camera. Ooh. Yeah, so it's pretty much another bad defeat. Really horrendous thrashing by the United States team. Obviously, but without a doubt, without any form of doubt, they are the far more superior team. The scoreline could have been way more embarrassing than it was. But I'll be showing you guys the video so you guys can get a look at the goals that were scored for those who didn't see the game and get a better understanding. But I'm just going to give my few thoughts on it. I do believe that the girls did try their best, and unfortunately, their best was just not good enough. And that's just how football is sometimes. When you go up against a superior team, who have a proper structure, proper facilities, proper coach, everything, they are better than us in every different facilities or aspects. They showed a lot more character on the pitch. They played. Nonetheless, we can't take away the fact that the girls did went out and they did try their best, and they did stand and try to account for themselves. But you can see where the team is just years apart in regards to all the aspects that I earlier mentioned. But congratulations, USA. Very good team. Proper put together, well put together team. Balance is right. System is right. You can see the coordination, everything. It's just evident how they play, what they want to do, what they're trying to do in possession, out of possession, in transition. It's quite clear how they play football. But I'm gonna give you guys highlights so you guys can see what we're speaking about here. So let's run through the highlights, people, and give you guys a look at what's happening. So let's give you some music to it. Pass inside the channel. Beautiful finish here. That's first goal. That's goal number 1. Set piece comes in. Header to the back post. Another lovely goal. Breakaway 1v1. Finds the far corner. Another beautiful goal. Cuts inside. Screamer. And goes to the front post. I do believe that the keeper should have done a lot better on that one though. Poor clearance as well. Cuts inside. Beats 1. Beats 2. And goes for the far post. And the second player received the ball. And that's a good goal. Cross comes in from a corner. And he goes straight in. And this seems to be off the tie. Penalty spot. Oh, well, good save from the keeper, even though the player missed. Corner comes in. Hits off the bar. And clearance from the defender. Pass inside the channel. Goes for the shot. Oh, it's off the bar again. Cuts the... Oh, that's a beautiful cut. Goes in. Keeper handled that one nicely. And it's a breakaway. Defender puts her body in the way. Couldn't get in the way enough. Goes across the goal. Opportunity. And it's 1v1 and she scores it. A backheel pass here. Transition. Down to the byline. Whoops the ball across. And it's off the bar. Lovely pass here. Inside the channel. Good build-up play. And a lovely finish at the front post. Pass here. Nice pass. 1-2 transition. Beautiful build-up play there. And it's a cool and calm finish from there on. Transition there. Turnover from Smith. Inside of the channel. Goes for far post. Keeper could have done a little bit better with regards to position in there. This are off. And that is the highlights, people. That is the highlights of the game. And that's how we end up getting the 11. Yeah. Anyways, so people, hopefully, I think the next game. Let me see if I can find the fixtures for the next game. To let you guys know. Normally, The games are extremely close. I should have already have the fixtures out. The next team we'll be playing against, I believe. Anyways, why am I not finding the group? Just give me a second, people. Let me find. Alright, so let me go into the Concacaf. On the Concacaf website, actually. Concacaf. Let's go on the website. I'm searching, people. I'm searching. So just give me a second. So the next game should be Jamaica versus Puerto Rico. The next game is Jamaica versus Puerto Rico. Well, I think the USA gave Puerto Rico 12. So I believe that both Jamaica and Puerto Rico should be on the same wavelength. So this could be a game that we can actually get a point from, maybe a draw. Or salvage something. We can salvage something from this game. I do believe we should try and salvage something from this game in particular. But we'll see how this one go, people. Until next time, people. Hopefully, guys are doing good. And Jamaica 0, the USA 11. Concacaf under 15, girls under 15 championship. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, people. We are out. Boom.